Hey guys, welcome back. I customized my car a bit. I mean. There is someone like green cows or cheaty parts. S- stock, stock looking parts you need with the performance you can't explain. Huh? I can't even explain what was the beer money games. Yeah, that's the developer. The devs. Police. But I have a lot of sponsors in here. But it's just in one place, which is boring. I can have no digits or have digits. I need my digit section. Alright, let's do this. On to the Mega Speedway. We'll go to the west side. Okay, you know what? We'll go to the west side first, which is the only oval things. Yeah, they're still faster than me. Whoa! I should not be doing this, but there's no rules, so whatever. There was an old glitch if you... Whoa. This is hard to control. Anyway, there was a glitch where if you go this far with sound off, you can't hear anything. But if you near with that crowd, the sound was still playing of that crowd. Even if your sound is like off, which is kind of weird. Oh yeah, and the bar is changed. It should be red, but I have a sticker, so yeah. I'm just gonna do some wall rides real quick. Just gonna ride this wall. If I did this to my Formula 1 car, I'm breaking the speed of light and, you know, breaking the laws of physics of speed, destroying speed force physics. Yeah, I watched Splash. What are you gonna say? 19 seconds, huh? Yeah, if I wall ride with my F1, I might be not doing 19 seconds because last time I practiced, it was 15 or 16, in between. Okay. I'm catching up. And I lost my hood and my door. And now my red part is trying to engulf me. Yeah, I see it's just an engine. Nice placement though. Nice, I'm in the walls. I'm seeing the underworld. My exhaust is near this tire. I am very concerned that I might burn my tires off, bro. Three minutes, huh? Well, I mean, it is 11 kilometers. See? Alright, let's do this. How is there's headlights? There's something was in my eyes. What is that in my eyes? God damn. Woo! And just to be clear, the rule is applied. On lap 4 we do pit stop. This car is actually so slow, I might say it right now. "54 seconds. And plus I cannot go to 6th gear. Because that's the max I can get. The 5th. Whoop. Okay, my car is not damaged. If you can see to the window. If it's clear like this, it's fine. But if it's clear after a crack, it's badly damaged. When it has a small cracks, it means that's the first level of damage. The second crack has like a lot of them. It means you're in the second level. And the third one will be like this kind of glass, but it's actually not there. So you're just seeing an empty void. And which means you're on the third level, which is the bad durability level. If you're playing Demolition Derby, yes, that is true. If you play like this, you're good. Like, okay, look at this. Yeah, see, from a smear clean to like a bullet crack. This is the first level of damage. If I do another more bad damage, it becomes level 2. See? That's the level 2. Which can decrease your speed by 1 kilometer an hour. It will decrease your speed over time. In race, it does affect this. In Demolition Derby, it affects more. It affects off your speed and tires. When your tires on black, not to be racist or anything, it is what it shows on the actual ones. If it's black, it just shows that your tire is badly wounded. If it's on the front and you're a rear wheel drive, there we go, it can problem your steering at the front by just a little bit. You cannot notice it. Oh, and I forgot to if you not notice, you will not notice that your tire is black, and it will do some bad drag. It will drag you. Actually, I did the pit stop and I have to redempt it. Here, this is the level 3, which means in Demolition Derby, you are dead. You're gonna die. One more hit and you're out. You're not gonna survive it. If you're gonna fight with your engine being red, or your body is like red, like bright red, yeah, you're done. You're gonna done. You crash someone, you have 50% chance of surviving. But yeah, you're gonna die as well. It's a 50-50 shot, so be careful. And yeah, and when your tires wobbling like very badly, it's gonna make your car slow down because of drag. And what is this? Oh yeah, steering. It's gonna mess up your steering by a little. You wouldn't even notice. If you can do a full turn at the first round, but then at the end you're gonna die, you can tell your tire is like black. Yeah, you can tell, like, you can't even like steer a little bit properly, like, you know. And if it's like all-wheel drive, all-wheel drive is gonna make you less speed, because if you break both of the all four is gonna break, and which is bad, which is hard for drifting. Even for four-wheel, it will not do anything. Okay, it's just gonna slow your car very quickly, and it doesn't give you any, any more speed by using all four of them. Not worth it though. Just get the rear one. It's better because you can drift properly. Like how I showed on the last episode of my first video of this game. Yeah, it shows that you can drift using rear wheel, but on the other hand, yeah, I already tried the all-wheel and four-wheel, the front wheel. They're bad at drifting, like literal bad. If you've done it on like a realistic video game, it's different. It's different from this kind of physics, you know. Oh yeah, and if your rear wheel is like wobbly enough and or it's black, it shows on Demolition, you will, one, lose grip. Two, if you're a rear wheel driver, you will not get more speed. You will lose like, okay, in racing, it loses between 1 kilometer an hour to 3. If you're racing, yeah. If you're on max speed, it will drop by 4 kilometer an hour. It will, even though your car's like badly damaged like this, it's gonna take up at least long time to get to the max. See, it's taken a long time. This car is actually can drive to up to 250. It takes a lot of time to get there without nitro. Look, it starts to slow down. See? Let's get a little bit closer here. It's actually like 250, the maximum. 251 till 255 is actually normal. But yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, it's good at drifting, but yeah, if you're badly damaged, on Demolition Derby, if you're badly damaged, your speed will decrease dramatically bad. In racing, you just lose like just like 3 to 4 kilometer an hour, which is not a big deal for racing. Actually, it's like a big deal, but 1 until 3, you're still fine. But in Demolition Derby, if that place is small to get away with, yeah, you're done. Okay, you're done. Like, let me show you. Quick Derby. If you chose a map like this one, like small speedway, if you try to run away, oh my god, you on the 3rd level of damage that you're gonna die, you will lose increasingly bad. I'm talking about like 10 kilometer an hour till 20. Let me tell you, man, oh my god, even if you a small bump or hit the wall, you're gonna die. You just instantly die because that thing is a bitch, bro. Let me tell you, the wall in Demolition Derby is a bitch. I know it shows like I did not bought this. It's actually bought, but it's just a visual glitch. Actually, it's not a visual glitch. It's already been unlocked, so it's just bugged out. I can't. I don't even mind to fix it. But yeah, seriously though, and your engine is red, you're gonna lose a lot of speed. Like a lot of speed. No, you're gonna lose a lot of speed. Very, very a lot. Okay, you're just gonna lose a lot of speed. In Demolition Derby, it's gonna decrease you by at least. Oh yeah, and by the way, get a spoiler. See this speed and handling? Boom, it just increased. Get get a spoiler, and it depends on what is your spoiler. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and know about this notes and stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm out actually. You guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you guys want to join this game. I'm excited actually. Alright, see you guys later. Or never. That might be my new outro.